Want to change WhatsApp wallpaper? In this video, I will guide you on how you can change WhatsApp wallpaper. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp on your device. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here select settings. Now you can find different options. Tap on chats. Here you have the option of default chat theme, tap on that. Now you have different wallpapers over here. You can swipe through to select whichever it is that you want. Tap on it to get a preview of how it would look. If you do not want this, you can simply head back and then select a new one. If you're okay with this, tap on the tick mark option at the top right corner. Now, if you want to keep your existing wallpaper, check this box. But if you want to change it, uncheck it and then tap on set theme. Now you can also change the chat color. For that, tap on chat color, then select your preferred color. It's going to show you the preview. If you don't like this, you can select any other color. Now go ahead and tap on this tick mark option. Once that is done, head back. Now open up any conversation you want, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been successfully changed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.